hopefully it's as easy as I think it will be. But I've had that noise for a little while now, and don't know what it is. It sounds like a damn rattle can, like a spray paint can, the marble in it. I think I pinpointed the area. It's probably a loose pulley, I'm thinking, and hopefully I found it. So we're going to try to tighten up one of these pulleys real quick and see if that helps. Alright, so there we have it. I took the serpentine belt off, and the only pulley that was moving was the crankshaft pulley, and there was no noise. So I am thinking it was my own error when I installed the water pump. Though, mind you, it did it before I installed a new water pump. Maybe it was just loose all along. So I need to go get me a spanner wrench to grab onto this water pump pulley so I can actually tighten it up. Alright, so we got a little bit of a squeak come from the serpentine belt now, though it sounded like the sound was gone. But the squeak usually means that the belt is not tight enough, so I'm going to tighten it up. If you're anything like me, you have a hard time gauging how tight your belt should be. If you can turn your belt so from the longest point, so this one's my AC pump to my water pump is the longest strand of belt that I have. So if I can take that belt and I can turn it, so if I can take this belt and turn it halfway or more than halfway means it's too loose. So this belt's too loose right now. Alright, so rattle can sound gone. I'm still going to go get a spanner wrench and a torque wrench, which I do not have, and that might be the case as well. Torque to specs, you know, what you're supposed to do. I don't have a torque wrench. They're too expensive and I'm too cheap to buy one. I guess I'm gonna have to. But yeah, I'm gonna make a trip and find me a spanner wrench that'll fit the water pump pulley. Got the belt tensioned up correctly, and another job done. I'm happy. I guess I should have done it right the first time. Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching my dumbass mistakes. See you on the next one.